This is Heston Cleveland
and Ricardo Love.
And this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby.
We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy
Hookup.
Welcome. I'm your co-host Ricardo Love. And here is your host, Mr. Heston Cleveland. What's up, Hess?
Ricardo?
Yes, sir.
I'm in trouble, family.
Why is that?
I got to talk fast.
Oh, Lord.
You know that's hard for me to do.
For sure, no.
But so much happened last week. You know we steadily build. Check this out, man. I hooked up with Trent Northcutt from Intel Travel. I'm a part of the team, man. I'm a part of the team. Learning a lot about the travel business, man. People got to get up and get away. So that's what we helping them do. Also helping make money. You know, doing what we gotta do, family. Anyway, this is the show for today. You know, I'm in the urban influencers. And every Monday we come out with new music. And I got something for you today, family.
Okay, let's hear it.
Anthony B. Babylon. Then we got Eddie Levert. Let's go to my place. That's what I'm talking about, Eddie. Just go straight to the point. Come on over, baby. And then we got another one, man. I didn't get the name of the artist. But anyway, everything is fine. Then we got my mama, Carrie Cleveland. Make love to me and I need love. Ricardo, they still charting, man, after 45 years. My mom is number 44 in the top 100 in the Radio Indie Alliance. Jazzy, charge it up. I'm sorry, Jazzy. Mr. Brandon Banks and Phoebe. Glory Superstar. Indra. Fool's Gold. And she sent a radio drop, family. Joey Joe. Man, I messed up and didn't get the proper name of the song. You know I can't read right when it's wrote, Ricardo. But I know you got my back. And you know what, for that, I had to pull you out the closet, man. Come on out that closet, Ricardo. Mia Moore and Can You See? I hope you learned by now and see that we build. Black Velvet, all over again. My brother Naru Kwana doing it. Then my girl from the town business, Leo. Love is a beautiful thing. And this is from my sister. I had to bring this one back, Ricardo. Nadira Noorjahan, the Queen of Rose. That one there, man, gets your chest shaking. And then after all that, man, Harold Keel brings it home with Sigh of Relief. Ricardo, people are still talking about that AI show. Even Google AI is building it up. We're going to have to do another one. Oh, you know what? We are going to do another one. CADX, celebrity DJ CADX has teamed up with the Indy Hookup along with Breaking Tracks Radio for the next AI show. Stay tuned. We building. Ricardo, tap that man on the shoulder and tell him to tell them who we are. We out.
The Indy
Hookup. This is Anthony Day with Babylon.
Built, broom, conquered, and chained. Teach the youth and self-hate, teach them pain. And them selling like call it success and fame, while the poor man cry out your name in the rain. Concrete jungle, system cold, soul get bought and the truth gets sold. But lying out never fall. The ancient fire still burning the whole. Fire from Babylon burned alive. Truth rise up like a morning sky. Chains fall down in the spirit high. The storm unlit, never die. Fire from Babylon, time and wheel. What is false must break and kneel. Jawad alone and leave. Righteousness at the final seal. Fear the youth with the dreadlock crown. Fear the mind that won't go down. Fear the chime, fear the sound. When the drum beat shake, the world come round. They teach Barbara with chant peace. Still we firm when the pressure increases. Loving they all, but the truth don't cease. Justice roll like the jungle beat. looking over my shoulder. Money on the dash while we drive. Packing it up, we alive. Lighting up the city, yeah, all night. At the after party, feeling alright. Yeah, we got it. What you know about me? We're just some misfits turning up. Let's go, yeah. Charge it up, charge it up. We turning up the volume till we blow it up. Charge it up, charge it up. We turning up the volume till we blow it up.
Brandon Banks and VP with Glory Superstar.
I'm a glory superstar, you can see me on the rise. I'm shooting up the Mars to the TV in the sky. They counted us out, they thought we wouldn't make it. Brandon Banks, why don't you face it? Anybody mad at me, go get a facelift. The anger bird never succeeds, pick up a day shift. What is this? You can try and get a life, I'ma focus on the money. I've been down to get it right. Catch me in Atlantic City, see me shining in the night. If my stomach feeling empty, we gon' grind it up all night. From my bracelet, you might take it, I'm complacent. But my crimes, my incarceration statements mean I'll make it through the line. I feel like Peyton in my prime. Becky on me, I immigrants in my time. Baby, pack your bags, I'm so critters on the moon. Hit the Milky Way and dab that new flavor when you boom. I've been trying to get a plate, I might even take a spoon.
See everything we have done, love and journey, we have more. See all the blessings that we got, you're the one. There was so many colors that we wore, love and journey, we have more. See all the blessings we have got, you're the one. Look how far we came, nothing stay the same. Every loss, every pain, come to blessing and gain. You're the one they can't explain. It's the beautiful world that we live today. Every loss, every pain, come to blessing and gain. We are the one they can't explain. See everything we have done, love and journey, we have more. See all the blessings that we got, you're the one. There was so many colors that we wore, love and journey, we have more. See all the blessings we have got, you're the one.
The Indy
Hookup. Hey, this is Indira, and you're listening to the Indy Hookup from across the pond, UK to USA.
This is Indira with Fool's Gold.
Yo, she boring, she ain't got no kind of wit. And each time I post, she's asking where I got my fits. If you offend, just say that. You wanna be me so bad, and you broke posting designer on the gram, knowing it ain't yours, gotta return it to your friends. Your boyfriend want me so bad, but his girlfriend want me so bad. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me so. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me so bad. You must be mad with all this body that I carry. I can't just fuck on anybody. Must be mad with what you're saying. With all this body that I carry, I can't just let you have my honey, baby. It don't take a fool to know that everything that glitters, it ain't always golden. Baby, it don't take a fool to know that everything that glitters, it ain't always golden. Yo, she boring, she ain't got no kind of wit. And each time I post, she's asking where I got my fits. And if you offend, just say that. You wanna be me so bad, and you broke posting designer on the gram, knowing it ain't yours, gotta return it to your friends. Your boyfriend want me so bad, but his girlfriend want me so bad. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me so. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me so. Your boyfriend and your girlfriend and your boyfriend want me so bad. You must be mad with all this body that I carry. I can't just fuck on anybody. Must be mad with what you're saying. With all this body that I carry, I can't just let you have my honey, baby. It don't take a fool to know that everything that glitters it ain't always golden. Baby, it don't take a fool to know that everything that glitters it ain't always golden. No kind of way. Each time I'm close, she's asking where I cut my fist.
The Indy Hookup.
Yes, my people, this is Joey Joe, and you're listening to the Indy Hookup from across the pond, UK to the US. Oh, yeah.
This is Joey Joe.
Get licking, I make back far on the front like blanket. This the order, we a fry up a boy like planted. You the dog, them hungry, we a go down the road, check misery. Boy get knocked, I mean all like on the air, for me chili chili. What them a talk about? Versace Louis V when me walk out. Them boy they love hate, but them a talk about. Car by left him on the floor, boy grows up. But the girl just a penny me. I mean no say I'm man in my enemy. But she say she love the thing, say she love it when me say Get licking, I make back far on the front like blanket. This the order, we a fry up a boy like planted. You the dog, them hungry, we a go down the road, check misery. Boy get knocked, I mean all like on the air, for me chili chin. For me chili chin. The girl said to the boy, yeah, willily. She says she love the body is medicine. Addicted to the click like air. Me no care what they want for say, because me that the hungry and they want for spray. Them a drink up a rum with me. Then lick out your head back and like a drink, watch it here. Get licking, I make back far on the front like blanket. This the order, we a fry up a boy like planting. You the dog, them hungry, we a go down the road, check misery. Boy get knocked, I mean all like on the air, for me chili chili.
Them bored and a real, them a general. London, you a real brother thing. If them everybody saw them head a spring. That's another thing, that's another sin. Them for dead from Shirley. Them not ready, got ready early. Tomorrow wanna fly like bird. Pitchy drunk, me know on the earth. Them
Get licking, I make back far on the front like blanket. This the order, we a fry up a boy like planting. You the dog, them hungry, we a go down the road, check misery. Boy get my snout, me nah like on the air, for me chili chili.
The Indy Hookup.
Ricardo Love with Me and More.
Me and more, my love forever. Me and more, I love you. I love you. I love you. You are my love. Me and more, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Me and more, I love you. You are my love. I love you. I love you. Tell me you want this like I do now. Tell me you want us forever true now. We can fly, we can soar, we can make this last forever. Do you believe in us, baby? Like I believe in you. It's true. Come on, let's do this romance now. Come on, let's do this love dance now. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, we can make it, baby. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, me and more, my baby. You are my love. Me and more, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Me and more, I love you. You are my love. I love you.
Devil play.
Can you see? Can you see it? What I see? What I see? Or am I dreaming? Or am I just dreaming? Can you see? Can you see it? What I see? What I see? Or am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Just a fantasy. I'm feeling you like I never felt anyone before. Am I just dreaming? Can we make this reality? 'Cause I'm feeling you like a hand fits a glove, baby. It just feels like it's supposed to be. Can we make this reality? Can you see? Can you see it? What I see? Vision of love. Or am I dreaming? Just a fantasy. Am I just dreaming? Can you see? Can you see what I see? What I see? Or am I dreaming? Am I just dreaming? Just a fantasy. Sometimes reality is cruel. Things don't work out the way you want them to. No. Very rarely soul ties come together in the way it's supposed to be. Soulmates and such, yeah. Why does faith keep us away? Seems we always end up with the wrong ones. But this time, I believe, yeah. I have to believe through all the odds and bad experiences that love is real and that we can have it. I just need you to believe too. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you believe it? What I see is real. Am I dreaming? No, it's real. See, it's not a fantasy. Can you see? I can see it. What I see. Can you see it? Or am I dreaming? I'm not dreaming. Just a fantasy. It's not a fantasy. Can you see what I see? Or am I dreaming? Just a fantasy.
This is Black Velvet with All Over Again.
Wanna tell y'all a little story about my life? Check it out. I was born and raised in Oakland, and that's probably where I had my grade. They said I was a gifted child, but sometimes I just wouldn't behave. Sneaking in the girls' bathroom, I was only the age of 6. The teacher caught me going in there. A recess, I sat on the bench. I said, please don't tell my mama. She might break out the Hot Wheel track. Or maybe the extension cord and leave some bruises on my back. I asked the Most High to forgive me for all of my crazy sin. But if I'm being truthful, I'll probably do it all over again, all over again. All over again. All over again. All over again. Daddy was a drug addict. Heroin was the drug he used. I started smoking weed at 12, and I just felt so confused. Would I end up like my daddy? That's not who I wanted to be. So I set out on a journey. What I was looking for was me. Music started calling. I think it might have saved my life. It became my only addiction, my lover and my wife. I ask the Most High to forgive me for all of my crazy sins. But if I'm being truthful, I'll probably do it all over again, all over again. All over again. All over again. All over again. Ladies, there were many, I couldn't even count them all. They came from many countries, thick, thin, short, small, and tall. You see, when you live in Oakland, variety is the spice of life. I truly did love the ladies. I never thought I would have a wife, but the ancestors, they blessed me with a woman and a child. And if I'm being honest, it's the only thing that slowed me down. I ask the Most High to forgive me for all of my crazy sins. But if I'm being truthful, I'll probably do it all over again, all over again. 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 All over again.
This is Leo, where love is a beautiful thing.
Love is a beautiful thing. He took away all my pain. Love is a beautiful thing. And we one and the same. God sent you when I was in pain. Stupid mistakes and full of shame. I was all cut and bruised. Kiss my stretch marks and tattoos. My flame was dim, you lit my fuse. What's happening? I'm so confused. You say you love me at first sight. Didn't give it up on the first night. But best believe when the time is right, I let you beat it up like fight night. See, best believe when the time is right, I let you beat it up like fight night. But first you gotta freak my mind. Mental and spiritual must align. I made you backwards like fine wine. I got us a beauty, remember the time. See, you remember the time. You vowed to love me only. Put no other chick before me. Hate and keep pressing me. Mad that they ain't sexing me. You entrust me with your heart. I reciprocated respectfully. You my destiny. I love you, baby, to the death of me. He took away all my pain.
This is Nadir Noorjahan with a Queen Rose.
You know my life has been a trip. Seems I have lived twice my lifetime. I fell into the thick of it so many times. I cried out, Lord, why? But no one threw me a line, so I had to swing from the vine of endurance. And from the bowels of death, the Queen arose, the Queen arose from the grave. No, I ain't dead yet, so get this dirt up off of me, so I can be free. Because of the lies you told on me, it was harder, but I'm stronger now. I have learned to forgive. To you I don't have to do. Karma will come for you. Blood and tears fall to the ground. Sweat on my brow was lost, but now I'm found with my feet up on the ground. So when you look for me, look up to the sky. Not satisfied with running. I was destined to fly. From the bowels of death, the Queen arose. The Queen arose from the grave. No, I ain't dead yet. So get this dirt up off of me, so I can be free. There was a time when I thought I wouldn't make it through. Was down so low I didn't know what to do. But there comes a time when you gotta get up, get that dirt off your shoulders. Be stronger, be bolder. I got caught in the windstorm, down to my lovely bones. I was born, dirt in my eyes, silent cry, screaming inside. My poor heart got cut up, I couldn't throw my hands up. Great pain and high stakes, on my knees I prayed. But God made me a soldier, so he held on to my soul. They brought shovels to bury me, choked me so I can't breathe. But the Father never left me, his love has set me free. So keep on watching me and feel my testimony. I'm living my destiny, so get this dirt off me. From the bowels of death, the Queen arose. The Queen arose from the grave. 'Cause I ain't dead yet. So get this dirt up off of me, so I can be free. From the bowels of death, dirt off me. The Queen arose from the grave. You can't find me yet. Dirt off me, dirt up off the road, so I can be free. Get this dirt off me. Get this dirt off me. Get this dirt off me. From the grave. That's why he did it. This dirt off me. This dirt off the road, so I can be free. From the bowels of death, look to the sky. Dirt off me. The Queen arose from the grave, from the grave. No, that's why he did it. This dirt off me. This dirt up off the road, so I can be free. From the bowels of death, this dirt off me. The Queen arose from the grave, from the grave, baby. That's why he did it. This dirt off me. This dirt off the road, so I can be free. Yeah, you
Get this dirt off me. The queen arose from the grave, from the grave. Why dead yet? This dirt off me, get this dirt off queen arose from the grave, so I can be free.
Up next, Harold Kill with Sigh of Relief.
How can I explain to you? How can I explain the pleasure of you being here? Been meditating in my mind, my mind. That the words I spoke to you were so sincere. Thankful that you understand the life I live. Been hanging in there with me without shedding a tear. Girl, I pray for you each and every day. That all the best things in life come your way. I get a sigh of relief when you come around. Girl, it makes me feel real good deep inside. Dreams come true when I touch you. When I touch you, makes me want to spend all my time with you. I get a sigh when you come around. 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 When opportunity knocks, you're bringing me back to where we're at in this life. Look up and thank God you're my wife. You're being true through love and passion, got me feeling alright. This thing knocked me off my rocker when I saw you in sight. Got me slipping like I'm tripping when I'm saying goodnight. Every day, cause you're by my side, take it like time. It's a man and woman's world, hand in hand, you're my girl. Since the days of young ones, we came back to a world that brought you and me a little man, making me a better man. I'm with you to hold you and treat you both the best I can. We're living this life up together, we came up, we're raising the same up, continue our day up the same up, and change for all the good times. Get ready, each day to come, remain true love. When we play, you're the one I'm here to love. We fit like gloves and make like doves. We're two of a kind, let the good times run. Essence of love, cloud my mind. Every time that you're by my side, can't give you up, you're from the waterfall. There's no doubt in my mind, you're meant to be mine. So sweet and divine, you're one of a kind. And I thank God you're mine. Thank God that you're mine. Time after time, time after time, time after time, time after time, time after time. I get a sigh when you come around. 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 I get a sigh when you come around.
The Indy
Hookup. This is Eddie Levert. Well, let's go to my place.
Baby, come on. Baby, come on. Baby, baby. You're in my dreams, big plans. I wanna be a man. Girl, we don't need you and your friends for you to be comfortable. If you're lonely, we'll get something. I'll fill that empty space. You can leave when you get ready. Stay long as you wanna. Let's go.
Carrie Cleveland with I Need Love.
Remember when you called me, you said you had a job. I came running straight to you and eased the pain in your bone. And since then, every time you call, I do what I can do. But right now the tide is turned around, and I'm gonna call on you. 'Cause I need love, I need love, I need love, I need love. I hope you'll be around when I need love. I hope that you come running when you find out I'm in pain. I hope that when I call on you, it all won't be in vain. In everyone's life there comes a time when he must do a good deed. And now your time has rolled around, so baby, give me what I need. I need love, baby, I need love. I need love, I need love. I hope you'll be around when I need love. I hope you'll be around when I need love. I hope you'll be around when I need love.
The Indy Hookup.
Brand new, off the press, special play. This is Lock Eyes by Carrie Cleveland.
Love it when you call my name. I'd have it no other way. I would never be the same if you and I had to part ways. The feeling's so sublime when you and I lock eyes. Your gaze reaches for my soul and makes me feel alive and whole. I feel it. Can you feel it too? Let's dance all night, okay? Let the music carry us away. Every word you say stays with me like a song I can't ignore. And when you pull me close again, I keep coming back for more. Through the quiet and the noise, you're the light I lean into. No matter where this road may lead, I'll keep holding on to you. I feel it. Can you feel it too? Let's dance all night, okay? Let the music carry us away.
The Indy Hookup.
Bonus track. This is Nicole Henry with Everything is Fine.
I feeling like my world is not the same. Feeling like I'm ready for the change. Feel a connection to this thing I can't explain. Oh, wide. Each night I close my eyes, ask the moon and stars for a sign, and by design I came upon this miracle that's mine. When you walked into my life, sunshine's peeking out. When you're around, everything is fine. Everything is fine, baby. Honeysuckle rose in the air when you're on my mind. Everything is fine. Alright. Open to this love that's made for me. Open and I'm ready to receive. Hoping to match the feeling that you give to me. 'Cause